The warm weather we had today was incredible. Highs into the low and mid 60s, even a few spots far to the south, making it into the upper 60s. As we expected, it would be a little bit cooler off to the north and to the west, but for a mid-February afternoon, it was spectacular. Of course, windy, but this time of the year, that's what you get when we have warmer days like that. Upper 30s and lower 40s. We're still going to fall back into the mid to upper 30s into tomorrow morning. And the heels of a windy day today where we recorded a 63-mile-per-hour wind gust out at Toledo Express Airport. That was just a few minutes before 11 a.m. And I know you felt those winds really shaking things up today. We had numerous wind gusts that were over 50 miles per hour, including Bowling Green, Port Clinton, just under 50 miles per hour. Defiance down toward Findlay in the upper 40s. Radar and satellite picture, it's clear across the area right now, but we do expect increasing clouds by the time we reach daybreak tomorrow morning. Here it is, our developing storm system. This is what arrives into the area tomorrow morning, mainly in the form of rain. But at this point this evening, there are some strong storms occurring across Oklahoma and into northern Texas. We've had a very interesting thing happen for the first time in history tonight. A severe thunderstorm watch that was issued by the first woman in history at the Storm Prediction Center. Pretty cool piece of history. And something that we're going to keep a close eye on is more storms will be expected into tomorrow. In fact, that risk area is going to be going from southern Ohio all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico. That's an enhanced risk of stronger severe storms. For us, we're far too north to see anything like that. I do expect the near storms would be across central and southern Ohio. We're going to be on the cooler end of this system, and while it's going to be mainly in the form of rain, a very light mix will be possible late tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. Only real concern, watch some bridges and overpasses, especially as we go after 5 p.m., so after dark. A couple of those bridges or elevated surfaces could become a little slippery before we return to weekend sunshine. So we'll time it out with the hour-by-hour forecast. Rain does arrive tomorrow morning. There's a clock, 8 a.m. Showers likely to arrive by mid-morning, and it's going to soak us mid to late morning to about lunchtime. That rain is going to keep us cool, close to 40 degrees for the daytime high. Much of this is just in the form of plain old cold raindrops. That chance, though, small window of an icy wintry mix, mainly north of Route 24. Up into southern Michigan will be a possibility tomorrow late afternoon into the evening. I don't expect anything widespread or any major issues, but it is a sign of some cooler weather into Friday. Rain showers tomorrow. Brief, light, icy mix north of Route 24. 42 the afternoon high. It's going to feel like the 30s much of the day. Lower 30s on Friday. Some sun will return. Brisk, cooler feeling day. 44 Saturday. Bright skies and sunshine. Gorgeous day Sunday. Back close to 50 degrees. Then another system on Monday into Tuesday. We'll bring some wet weather back into the area. A second system next week looks a little more curious with a chance of some wintry weather Wednesday into Thursday. And should it turn cool enough, maybe talking some snow accumulations toward the middle of next week with highs generally in the 30s.